Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to report on Microsoft Teams. So, to report someone on Microsoft Teams, you have to just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams software. Then you have to go to your chat. And from chat, just go to the person who messaged you something wrong. And when you're there, you can just go to their message, which is harmful or hateful. And you can just hover on it and then just get an option over here. Just click on this more options button. And after doing that, you're gonna find a bunch of options from here. For example, copy link, pin for everyone, mark as unread, report a concern, or translate. Now we want to report from here. So just click on report a concern. And after clicking that, you can report this message anonymously if you want. Just check this if you want to do it. And then just tell Microsoft Teams about your concern about the message. It could be sexually inappropriate, terrorist, child abuse, harassment, or anything else from here. You can also select other and include more details about it over here. And after you have selected everything, then just click on send. And after that, the report will be lodged to Microsoft Teams. And basically, that is how to report on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.